Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can redeem your gift card or your Robux gift card on your account. Very simple and easy. So you can see in my previous videos, I was doing my tutorials on my mobile phone. So I've logged in on my laptop. You can follow and then you're going to do same. So on your laptop, you just need to move to your gift card and you're good to go. And then on your mobile phone, you tap on the more at the button, which is the below side, and then you move to gift card, something like that. So on here you can proceed to start and shop, and then we want to redeem our cards, so we just tap on that. On a mobile phone, when you tap on the redeem, they will redirect you to this website on your browser and you'd have to log in. So here what you need to do is you need to enter the code of your Roblox gift card. You get it? You enter the code here, so a lot just for tutorial purposes, and then you tap on the redeem. It's going to verify. You're going to say it's not correct. It's going to verify invalid code. Yes, so when you verify and it's correct, that's it. You redeem your code and you can use it to make your purchases or do anything of your choice in your Roblox account. So that's it on how you can redeem your Roblox gift cards in your account. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.